The CIS Microsoft Windows 10 Enterprise Benchmark v1.12.0 script is a script often in PowerShell or Group Policy Objects (GPO), used to configure the security settings of the Windows 10 Enterprise operating system to meet the standards of the CIS Center for Internet Security, an internationally recognized nonprofit organization for best practices in IT hardening. Key details of this script and benchmark version as follows. 1. Core benchmark components. High-level security standard. This criterion incorporates security best practices for Windows 10, primarily tested on version 2.h2 to close vulnerabilities, prevent unauthorized access, and reduce the risk of cyber attacks. Configuration levels profiles. Level 1. Basic security settings recommended for all systems without affecting core program functionality. Level 2 or next generation. Higher stringency settings, suitable for environments requiring exceptional security, but may impact usability or some functions. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to install CIS Windows 10 Pro. First, we need to download the files from GitHub. Once downloaded and installed, this will give your computer a higher level of security and achieve a CIS score of almost 90% or higher, which is considered very secure. Just follow my instructions. Once you've downloaded it, extract the WinRAR file. When you click into the folder, you will see a script like this. If you see this, it means it's correct. Next, open PowerShell, right-click and run as administrator. Type cd and press enter. Then copy and paste the directory containing the CIS Windows file, and then press enter. Then, paste this script into this directory. Set-ExecutionPolicy bypass, scope process. If a warning window pops up, type Y or press yes. Run the main script file in PowerShell admin, CIS_win10, PS1. Then wait for the installation to finish. If red text appears, it's because we've already configured it, and it conflicts with a script command in PowerShell sys Windows. That's why it's red like this. Don't panic, just wait for the installation to complete. Then we'll check the score to see how many points we get. Once you reach this page, the installation is complete. Then, you can update using the command prompt cmd or restart your computer. Either is fine. Let's use the update command. Next, let's look at Wazuh's score. Previously, I used the Hardening tool to help configure it, and it gave me a score of 60. Now let's see what the score will be if we use a pre-made tool that truly covers all the security settings. I've now restarted the machine, Wazuh. Let's check again to see if there are any changes. Finding the restart blooming option took a very long time, so I cut out the unnecessary parts because they were pointless and not useful at all. Let's focus on the important parts instead. The security score has increased to 93%. Which is considered very secure and has passed CIS standards. Hopefully, this video will be useful to everyone, whether you use Wazuh or not. You can use this method to increase your security. Please subscribe to my channel and check out this video first.